Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Dress, Dine and Shine S2D Creations. Today, I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite DIY exfoliating scrub for achieving glowing skin. This recipe is perfect for removing dead skin cells and revealing a brighter complexion. List of ingredients. So, for this DIY, you're going to need ½ spoon of sugar, 1/4 spoon of coconut oil, 1/4 teaspoon of vitamin E oil, 5 to 10 drops of your favorite essential oil, optional. Instruction. Start by mixing the sugar and coconut oil together in a small bowl. Add the vitamin E oil and essential oil, if using, and stir until well combined. Transfer the mixture into a small jar with a tight-fitting lid. Now it's time for application. To use the scrub, start by washing your face with warm water and a gentle cleanser. Apply a small amount of the scrub to your face and gently massage in circular motions for 1 to 2 minutes. Rinse off with warm water and pat your skin dry with a clean towel. Now it comes to end and that's it. This DIY exfoliating scrub is perfect for achieving glowing skin and can be used 1 to 2 times a week. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and found it helpful. Let me know in the comments below if you tried it out and what you think. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tips and beauty tips. Thanks for watching.